Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't win against Watford 3-2 for Vicarage Road Stadium to keep their top 4 hopes alive. For 5 minutes, Odegaard bust nets to make them 1-0 as all fans found it very happy. Then for 11 minutes, Kucho can equalize with one powerful overhead kick wey make am 1-1. The match come be like say come tire apart. Then for 30 minutes, Bukayo Saka can combine with Lacazette to make am 2-1. Then also for 52 minutes, Martinelli can extend the score to 3-1. Before I know what dey happen, Sissoko can score late consolation goal, and so the match dey end 3-2. Then after the match, all Arsenal fans come turn their focus to Manchester City wey dey play against Manchester United. So they come beat Manchester United 4-1. I know say even one of our fans say when they call Joshua come DM me, come dey let me know say CHUKS, see as Man City beat Man U. So why all those pundits come dey talk say they rate Manchester United above Arsenal? So as long as Man U get those kind of Ronaldo, they get Pogba, they get Bruno Fernandes, so they go dey always ahead. Why all those players no come turn up for them when they make them the chop goals like this? Even though we know say Ronaldo no play that match, so Baba just dey complain. And myself, I reason wetin talk. I don't know why all these pundits they come dey bias against us. Like they think say we still be like the old be before. We get soft underbelly. We will say we dey crack under pressure. I don't know. Plus they never know as they solve. Go shock all of them at the end of the season. They never know. They don't know. After the Arsenal match, we don't know say Roy Keane said follow the monitor the Arsenal game to know wetin Arsenal go play. So Baba come outside, come dey praise Arsenal for their consistency. Come talk say you don't want to know wetin anybody wan tell am now. Say Arsenal na be the official top 4 favourite now. So na them be the favourite ahead of everybody, because how can you be capping Manchester United with 1 point and at the same time you still get 3 matches to go? Say come on. Say Arsenal get like that kind of 30 matches to go. Man you get just 10 matches to go. After 10 matches now, Man U EPL season don dey over, and for that 10 matches they still get some kind of tough game. They still get Tottenham Hotspur, they still get Liverpool, they still get us. That's like 3 out of that 10, 7 still remain. And if you check the 7 remaining fixtures, we see they still get some kind tough games. So we say it is strong, go dey easy for them. So Baba dey talk say you don't concede defeat. Say once they like this now, so give it to Arsenal abeg. Say no, bad one, just give them. Then at the same time, for media setting, they come dey ask Mikel Arteta say, Baba, shey they don't give you assist for that assist wey give Bukayo Saka. You know say for that Arsenal third goal wey Martinelli score, the ball go for throwing. So now Arteta run come up for in technical area, come carry the ball, give Saka fast throw. Saka do the fast throw before you know ball don reach Lacazette drop am for Martinelli wey up am. Boah, internet we come with the 3-1. So that time at 3-1. So they call the ask Arteta come talk say no, so they never give am the assist. So Baba come ask say wetin give you that mindset? Like wetin touch your brain? Maybe you can carry that ball, do that fast throw. People dey forget say this Arteta na player before na midfielder, so that football this thing don dey in blood. Again, normal. If you see advantage, you go take am. So Baba come respond say I saw an opportunity and I had to take it again. They don scam say the Watford players they dey for another place, they no dey for their own half. So you can say an opportunity with this, so you can run carry ball. Say nobody go stop you. Now ball don't come for throwing, you just carry ball, give your player say throw sharp, and go score. Throw and they come go score. So that's what you just do. Then at the same time, they come dey ask Mikel Arteta say make him assess the game for the way Arsenal take play. So Baba come talk say the first thing we observe say even though we win, say no dey happy with the way the game dey turn out. Our man management, our game management was not okay, because at some point we go be like say we dey in the ascendancy. Before you know, we be like say we don dey decline. Next thing we go call the control. Next thing we lose control. Say make sense. And our defensive structure, we made some kind of mistakes. We kept a lot of spaces. We leave spaces too much for Watford, and we lacked the urgency to counter Watford's urgency. Like I said this thing when we start, I say Watford need this thing more than us, because they are fighting for their lives. We just fight to enter Europe. Them they fight to stay for EPL. So if you watch the game, you see then they push us and then they attack. I was surprised. Watford don't relax, and they don't even play 4-5-4. They came out to attack like they won't win. And we did very lucky to say Ismail Assar no play, because that Dennis will play there. You say Dennis down some kind of chances when they create for him. Arsenal for suffer like more than that. We just did lucky say him they unlucky on the night. So now we just up. So people complain about our defensive prowess. So defensively, so we no do well the way we're supposed to do. So thank God say we no concede more. So now so it just be. At the same time, they can't ask Arteta about the top 4 race. You know, say now everybody don't sing our praises. So now we'll be top 4 favorites. You know, they can't ask about the top 4. Say how far now? Many pundits don't they talk say now be the favorite. So now get the top 4 to lose. So I see all this thing. But I say you know one the reason we see other people they talk, and you know one put pressure on the team. We talk about the top 4. All they know they say their next game now against Leicester City, and they will prepare to play that one. Every game is a final. They won't focus on each game individually. They don't want to look what other people they talk. Say they know they look table at all. You get? They don't get business with table. Now at the end of the season they will look table, see where they end. So for now, game after game, game after game, then at the end of the season, we will know where everything ends. Also, they can't ask Arteta say whether I go keep like I said with the way the guy they struggle, they fight for the team. But back on talk say all those kind of talks like transfer talks, whether they will keep player, they will keep player, contract talks. Now at the end of the summer, say don't do meeting with the 3 players, all those kind of KTR, Lacazette, El Neni. Maybe say at the end of the summer their contract will expire. They don't do meeting with them. Say okay, see you after season don't end, we will sit down, we will talk the way forward. Whether we're giving a 1 year extension or 2 year extension, or whether we're fine at square root, maybe we get a better offer. Because Arteta will get honest man-to-man talk with them. Let them know say one sign some kind of players, so and these players come. When our game time go dey limited, can you live with that? Like that kind like I said now, we'll let them know say will they sign some kind of strikers so we go dey ahead of you in the pecking order. Can you live with that? If you can live with that, then no qualms. If you know go fit live with that, then you go check whether you go get any suitable person. You know that kind of discussion, an honest discussion. So the players now they will come don't use that tongue count their teeth. Know which offer better for them. Whether maybe they stay for Arsenal for this Champions League where they don't fight for. Maybe we don't get them at the end of the season. But it's okay. Make us stay here, enjoy this Champions League. Now me follow fight for them. Abi make I find my square root go another club. Now when the time reach, they will do that talk. At the same time, they ask Mikel Arteta about Bukayo Saka, you know, the way the guy they play now, say the guy form, don't mad, gone. So they come ask and say, what do you think say they responsible for this form? So Baba come talk say, the thing wey in the see now, you know, say that thing wey happen for the summer, that Euro 2020 wey Saka miss penalty for the final. That thing, it can't make Saka turn to a different player because the guy can't receive love from the whole world. You know, everybody show him love. Once show him say they respect him, say be very, very good player, say can happen to anybody. That don't push the guy to another limit, another area where people never see him before. So now what he can't do the guy now, and the way the guy can't come for us now, enough love, you know, they play for him and the togetherness, especially that three people them go Dubai where they eat together, they live together, they spend time together, did everything together. That togetherness, that camaraderie, everything can spawn the team. Now the team they play for one another. You get if Mr. A-Ho boy don't know where Mr. B dey, all those kind of levels say it makes sense and they go a long way to shaping the future of the team. Another bad belly don come outside wey they call Gary Neville. So Baba come outside talk say you no wan know wetin anybody wan tell am say Manchester United go still finish above Arsenal. Say yes, man, you get 10 games to go, and that 10 games to go, say they get some kind of tough games. But the way they go do be say they no fit afford to lose any game. If they fit win all that 10 games to get, say they will go far. They make them start from the next 2 games. They go play against Tottenham Hotspur and against Atletico Madrid. If they fit win those one at home game, they fit win and back. They will get some kind of momentum, they will get some kind of morale, confidence booster against other games as when they come. Say you know the reason Arsenal, say you no trust Arsenal. I would say about talk clear, say you no trust Arsenal. Say Arsenal go see flop, say you no trust them at all. So that's what it just be. I might not be only Gary Neville the para for Arsenal. Even for school self come and say I can't challenge because Arteta say why Arteta go live in technical area, can't go the carry body assist Bukayo Saka. Which levels be that now? Is he allowed to do that? But by the question, the quick thinking of our coach, you know our coaching a player before you get so that mentality dey in head. Na normal level now. If player don't see quick through, they go run now. You get so Baba call the para. I don't know say Baba self they watch our game. You want more the flop, you get. So the same way we self they watch Man U game, want me that the flop. Na normal level, na fan, na banter. That's what they be. So Baba the para say the referee association that come explain say how a coach go live in technical area run go carry ball through and they will come go score and they will counter. Which levels be that now? You not supposed to be allowed. Say is he allowed to do that? Because I never see any coaching when they do that kind of level. Don't say our Mikel Arteta the guy the way the guy they think. The guy, I don't know, the guy, God, the guy get up on Olympic Marseille hierarchy, the reason say they won't come Arsenal for London code, they made them come reason Arsenal hierarchy 1 or 2, say they would like to carry Saliba. I don't know, the response way Arteta give them not too long ago, you know enter their head. So we know they said the guy, they still won't come try, and no yawa, I made them come. There's no harm in trying. If I come, when I fly all the way from France, come. Something I'll just come up and say, how far? Like this, we'll let you know straight up, say, Baba, we know they sell, no matter how you want be, we know they sell. We borrow that this guy may help now, he don't help now. Why not call collect them now? We know they sell, bro. So make them fly come no yawa. But at the same time, they call the interview Bukayo Saka after the game when they do media duty. They call they ask and say, how far now you see the way they play with Lacazette, what did they suck with two of them now? So Baba come talk say, almost saying they enjoy playing with Lacazette, you get, saying they feel the guy, you get. Say the way the guy they play, say say if you don't give Lacazette pass like this, you don't need to shout Laka don't know where he did. Laka be turning back, you don't know where Saka did. Saka get involved. So now what they do for training, you get that movement, that bonding, you get. Say he knows my be like 5 and 6, you get. If I give him the ball, he knows me too well, he knows where I will be, you get. That's why Lacazette know they do score, but the kind of the guy they do. Now that me they see what some people they talk say, so Lacazette still dey important to Arsenal because he know the score, which is his primary duty. So we'll just forgive and say, okay, you are not scoring, but at least you are providing. You are a provider for other people to score. So as he give Lacazette, give my Martinelli on the platter of gold, say, oh yeah, Baba, wipe on, Baba, go one. Oh yeah, give Saka, Koleba, Nakan, go. So all those kind of things. Even Ateta self when they talk from media duty, say Lacazette go the para for dressing room, say him no score. Though he dey provide for other people, but he won't score. So you don't think he score now, he won't score. Manchester United coach sef Ralph Rangnick, the guy no enjoy the way Arsenal dey flourish, the way Arsenal dey fly, you get the way Arsenal dey go for the top 4. So Malcolm talk say the top 4, so you know still fine, you know fine like that. You get forget say Arsenal they gap there with 1 point and they get 3 outstanding matches. So all they have to do is to win their remaining matches, make them not drop any point again. So then they get 10 matches to go, and we will get 13 matches to go. So if them no drop points again, they knock everybody. Say they go they safe, but that everybody knows that one no possible now. No matter how you want talk, and talk is cheap. And this Manchester, if now Arsenal now they talk say, if Arsenal self no fit win all their 13 games. So now at the end of the day, we will know who is sure for, you get. But on paper, Arsenal are favourites, you get. Nobody if you win their next 13 games or next time. I want to win now. We there for that your next 10 games now. They go play us now. So I don't want to do it. So that's so it just be. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You see the thumbnail. Click on so that you go get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's actually signing out. Have a great week ahead of you. Now get out.